Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to introduce with a sheet that can calculate tax as per old regime and new regime in 5-10 minutes. You may calculate the tax for 100 employee, 1000 employee as per your needs. So this sheet is fully automated. So you may download it from my group. So let's begin how it is work. Just you need to enter the data in part B. Here I have entered three employees name and salary. If you have any deductions, for example standard deductions, HRA, whatever the case may be, then after that you need to enter the deductions over here, and here it is. So this is old regime and this is new regime. So actual tax payable is this. So I am also telling with this sheet what is the scheme which is offering the benefit to you. So here it is old regime, new regime, and you may check the calculations from income tax side. So here is the link, and here is the values which you need to enter on the income tax side. So you may download this sheet. So keep enjoying and keep learning.